Success is never created by money alone. Long before wealth appears in your bank account, it first takes shape in your thoughts, beliefs, and daily habits. This is one of the most powerful ideas inspired by the timeless teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy. Every successful person begins by building an inner world that reflects confidence, abundance, and possibility. If your mind constantly focuses on fear, lack, and doubt, your actions will naturally follow those emotions, keeping you trapped in the same cycle. But when you intentionally train your mind to expect growth, recognize opportunities, and believe in your own value, you begin laying the foundation for a completely different future. Your circumstances may not change overnight, but your direction certainly will. Every great achievement begins with an invisible decision that says, I am capable of becoming more than I am today. That decision changes how you think, speak, and act. Instead of complaining about what you don't have, you begin appreciating what you already possess while preparing yourself for greater opportunities. This shift may seem simple, yet it has the power to transform every area of your life. The most successful people understand that wealth is not only measured by dollars, but also by discipline, emotional strength, consistent learning, and unwavering faith in their potential. They don't wait for confidence before taking action. They develop confidence by taking action repeatedly, even when uncertainty exists. Every small victory strengthens their belief that greater victories are possible. Inspired by the principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, you can begin replacing limiting beliefs with empowering ones every single day. Instead of saying, I can't afford this, ask yourself, how can I create the ability to afford this? Instead of thinking, success happens only to lucky people, remind yourself that success often follows preparation, persistence, and positive expectation. Your subconscious mind responds to the messages you repeat consistently. When you fill it with hope instead of fear, solutions instead of excuses, and possibilities instead of limitations, you gradually reshape your behavior. This is why your daily thoughts matter so much. Every encouraging word you speak to yourself becomes a seed planted in the garden of your future. Every positive habit you practice becomes another brick in the foundation of lasting success. Wealth is attracted to value, responsibility, and growth, not merely wishful thinking. Therefore, commit yourself today to becoming the person who is mentally prepared for the opportunities you desire. Read inspiring books, develop valuable skills, protect your focus, maintain gratitude. Many people spend years searching for the perfect opportunity while completely overlooking the power of their daily routine. The truth is that extraordinary success is usually built through ordinary actions repeated with extraordinary consistency. This principle aligns closely with the inspirational teachings associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, reminding us that our subconscious mind absorbs whatever we repeatedly think, believe, and practice. Every morning presents a new opportunity to strengthen the mindset that leads to lasting achievement. The first few moments after you wake up are especially important because they often determine the emotional direction of your day. Instead of immediately focusing on problems, choose to focus on possibilities. Begin with gratitude for another chance to improve your life. Then visualize yourself handling challenges with confidence, wisdom, and determination. This simple practice trains your mind to search for solutions instead of obstacles. Throughout the day, pay close attention to the conversations you have with yourself because your inner dialogue quietly shapes your future. If you constantly criticize yourself, your confidence gradually weakens. If you consistently encourage yourself, your belief grows stronger with every passing day. Remember that your subconscious mind cannot always distinguish between a repeated fear and a repeated truth. It simply accepts what you continually impress upon it. That is why successful individuals carefully guard their thoughts, their words, and the influences they allow into their lives. They read books that expand their perspective, spend time with people who inspire growth, and invest in learning skills that increase their value. They understand that personal development is one of the highest return investments anyone can make. Financial success often follows those who become more valuable through knowledge, discipline, and service to others. Instead of chasing quick rewards, they focus on becoming better every single day. They know that every lesson learned, every challenge overcome, and every disciplined decision adds another layer to the foundation of future success. There will certainly be moments when progress feels slow and doubts begin to appear. During those times, remember that a seed planted beneath the soil is still growing even when nothing is visible on the surface. In the same way, your consistent effort is producing results long before they become obvious. Inspired by the timeless principles connected with Dr. Joseph Murphy, choose to trust the process instead of becoming discouraged by temporary delays. Replace impatience with persistence and fear with faith in your ability to grow. Success is rarely a single dramatic event. It is usually the accumulated result of hundreds of wise decisions made over months and years. Every time you honor your commitments, complete an important task, or refuse to surrender to negative thinking, you strengthen the mindset that attracts greater opportunities. Eventually, people will notice your confidence, your discipline, and your positive attitude. But what they see is only the visible outcome of countless invisible choices you made long before success arrived. Continue building your character with patience, because lasting wealth always follows a mind that has already learned how to think, act, and believe like a successful person. As you continue this journey, remember that the greatest transformation does not happen when your income changes. It happens when your identity changes. The moment you begin seeing yourself as a disciplined, capable, and determined person, your choices naturally begin to reflect that belief. This is the lasting message that many people have drawn from the inspirational teachings of Dr. Joseph Murphy. Your outer world often mirrors the attitudes and expectations you consistently carry within. If you expect failure, you may hesitate, procrastinate, or give up too soon. But when you expect growth, you become more willing to learn, adapt, and persist until you achieve your goals. Every challenge then becomes a lesson instead of a defeat, and every setback becomes a stepping stone rather than a stopping point. The millionaire mindset is built on this simple but powerful understanding. Your future is influenced more by your daily decisions than by your current circumstances. You cannot always control what happens around you, but you can always choose how you respond. That choice shapes your habits, your character, and ultimately your destiny. Success belongs to those who continue moving forward when excuses seem easier than effort. They understand that consistency creates momentum, and momentum eventually creates remarkable results. Each day offers a fresh opportunity to become wiser, stronger, and more prepared than you were yesterday. Do not compare your progress to someone else's journey, because every path unfolds at a different pace. Focus instead on becoming 1% better each day. Those small improvements may appear insignificant in the moment, but over time, they create extraordinary transformation. Protect your vision from negativity, your mind from unnecessary distractions, and your heart from discouragement. Fill your environment with uplifting ideas, meaningful goals, and people who inspire you to become your best self. Continue feeding your subconscious mind with thoughts of confidence, gratitude, abundance, and purpose. The beliefs you reinforce today become the reality you experience tomorrow. When difficulties arise, remind yourself that every successful person has faced moments of uncertainty, rejection, and disappointment. What separated them from others was not perfect circumstances, but an unshakable commitment to keep going. Let every obstacle strengthen your determination instead of weakening your faith. Refuse to allow temporary failures to define your permanent identity. Instead, see yourself as someone who is constantly growing, constantly learning, and constantly becoming more valuable. Inspired by the timeless principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, embrace the understanding that prosperity begins in the mind before it appears in the world. Continue planting positive thoughts, taking disciplined action, and believing that your greatest opportunities are still ahead of you. Wealth is not simply something you acquire. It is something you prepare yourself to receive through character, wisdom, service, and persistence. Begin living today as the person you hope to become tomorrow, and let your actions reflect the future you desire. Stay committed to your vision, even when progress feels slow, because every meaningful achievement begins with a single decision to believe in yourself before anyone else does. If this message inspired you to think differently about success and abundance, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future motivational content created to help you unlock your full potential.